Hello guys, hope you all are well. Today I am going to show you that how you can create a blogger website and put some post on that website, and how you can design your blogger website and put a custom template in your website. All will be shown in today's video, so don't miss any part of the video. Let's jump into the video. So first I will create a blogger website. That's I am going to my Gmail and selecting blogger. So you can see that here I have already created some website. So I will create a new blog website. So I will click on new blog. So now I have to give a title. I have to give a name for my blog. Suppose I am giving the blog name as GSM Arena BD. So now I have to put an address of this blog website. So I am putting GSM Arena BD. Let's see is this address is available or not. You can use a custom domain in your blog website. Okay, so you can see that this so I am selecting GSM Arena BD official at .blogspot.com. This will be our blog's URL. So you can see that if we click on view blog, we can see that this is the interface for our blog website. So we can just add some post for this blog website. I have already selected write some post for this website. So click this website. I'm giving a title like so I am putting a title, and now I can bold some of the headlines if we want into the content, just like I bolded this headline, and also any other thing I can use just as we want. So now we have to use some photo. So now I am going to show, already I have downloaded some photos, so I'm going to add some image from insert image. So you can see that here we have selected an image. So I am selecting this image, and we can add a link anywhere of this done. So we are adding a link just like Atmos, about Atmos technology. We are adding a link in this. So if we click here, the link will click on a new tab. So we are click here and applying. So we need this image at the we need this image at the main point. That means at the top. We need this as a feature image. So we are just selecting this image as feature image. We can add many things, like if we have any labels like uh, mobile review, this defines category. Okay, in your WordPress site, which is category? In Blogger, that is label. So we can see that here we can name as mobile review. We don't have any labels, so we can add that later. We just publishing the post, and we also publish another post like here we are doing likes. So now we are selecting a image for this iPhone 14. We are choosing file. We can see that there's here a picture. So this is becomes the post. So now we are gift to post. So if we click on site, we can see that this is how our site is showing. So we need to design our website. We should use some custom template, like just we need Sora 1. So we will use Sora 1 blogger template. We can buy this in $12.95, or we can download this for free. So I am downloading it for free now. If you want to buy this, you can. So if I open this in folders, we will see an XML file. It's taking time. So we can see that here we are doing okay, we are extracting this file. So we can see that here is a XML file. So we need to just open this file. So we are opening this with notepad. We need to copy all the code here. So Ctrl A plus C. So I have copied all the codes. So now we have to go to the theme, and now here you can see that the theme is Contempo Light. So we need to customize the theme. So we will delete all this and paste the Sora 1 templates code. So we can see that update is successful. So if we view our if you watch our website now, so we can see that our website is customized. So we can see that here we can see a tag headline, and we can see here menu and post and social icons and also the videos. So this is all the things we have. Next we can edit our website from layout, and we can add our website to Search Console to Analytics and to AdSense. So in future, day by day, we will show you that how you can add those, and you could be a completely expert in blogger websites. So that's for today. Our part 3 course will come tomorrow. So thanks now. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.